How we doing? That? Wow, that's very strong language. All right. So yesterday's assignment, one-step equations. You want to make sure you turn that in if you haven't already. Make sure you don't have headphones in. And then make sure you've written down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Yesterday, if you were absent, put absent. And today, we're going to do this one, turn it in, easy 100 for the week, right? For the warm-ups, right? What? No, she was here. All right, number one. Now, if you can do one-step equations like yesterday, when there's two things to get rid of, you're just doing one step, then another step. And each time you're showing your work, your answer is not your work, the work is your work, and you have to show your work to get credit, right? So again, no work, no credit. SpongeBob? No work, no credit. All right, well, on number one, if I'm solving for n, I need to get rid of this 2 on the bottom and the 7 over here. Which do I get rid of first? I call it the loner, the one by itself. It's called a constant. How do I get rid of a plus 7? What's the opposite of plus? Minus. And if I do it on one side, I do it on the other side. Thank you. Now, what is 16 minus 7? 9. If you must, you can use Desmos to do computations, but you actually have to show your work, like I've been saying over and over and over and over and over. Bring down n over 2 equals, and then you got 9. Last step, how do I get rid of a dividing by 2? What's the opposite of dividing? Multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2. 2's cancel on the side with the n, and that equals 9 times 2, which is 18. Can y'all do 2 steps today? Showing your work. Not using Desmos Squiggle N, not using an app, not using some crazy AI thing. You got to just know how to do it yourself, because next year in geometry or algebraic reasoning, you got to know how to do it yourself. Trying to prep you. Number 2. Oh wait, number 3. What happened to number 2? Well, here's why. On your assignment today, this is number 1 and number 3. So like I'm giving you some freebies. Cool? All right. So number 3 on what I'm about to give you. If I'm solving for v, which is on the right side, what 2 numbers do I need to get rid of on the right side? Is 6 and 7. Which should I get rid of first? The loner, positive 7. Literally, just like last time, to get rid of a positive, we subtract 7 on the other side of the equal sign as well. Scratch out the opposites. Now, if you don't know negative 35 minus 7, and you need to use a calculator for computation, that's fine, I guess. But you want to get good at that as much as you can, but that should give you negative 42. Bring down equals 6v. Last step. 6 and v are buddies. What is invisibly between them? Multiplying. So to get rid of a coefficient number in front, we must do the opposite of multiplying. We must divide. If I do it on one side, I do it on the other side. Cancel out those 6's. And what equals v? Negative 42 divided by 6 is negative 7. So that's number 1 and 3 on this. So you got some freebies. I'll leave it on the board here. But what you want to do is make sure every day has something on it. Make sure your name is on it. I'm going to pick that up after I pass this out. And this is what we're doing today. So you got yesterday's, you got today's. Let's get it done.